Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can level up with the pet shop NPC. He's called Raphael, but anyways, to level up, as you can see, there is like the tier 2 egg shop that is locked right now. See, so feed NPC to unlock. Again, I'm just going to stick with the food that I have, which is the corn dog. I have two left. Okay. I think I got 10 points from submitting a corn dog. So the ingredients are super simple: pine cone, pepper, and corn. So I'm just going to feed. As you can see right now, it's level 2. Again, you can only feed the NPC once per day. Same like the seed shop. Can I open it? Okay, I don't think I'm able to open it now. I think there's still a lot of levels that I need to open. Maybe the third one is the last one, but I'm not sure. But that is how you can level up with the pet shop NPC in Grow a Garden. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click that thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.